Hi, welcome back to Building with Legos, and today I'm showing you how to build this puzzle box. This is the second puzzle box, so let's get started. We're going to start building the base of the puzzle. So this is on a 6x8 plate. So we're going to start out by putting some bricks on this right side here. So then you're going to need these two Lego Technic bricks, 1x2 bricks. One has to have a hole, and the other has to have this plus sign. It's an axle hole. The one with the circle hole has to go on the outside here, and the other one goes on the inside. And then you're going to place a tile here. And then you're going to have two 1x1s. These don't have to be 1x1s. They can be a 1x2. Then you're going to need a 1x1 plate. One by one tile. And you're going to take a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 tile. And you're going to stack them up and put them right here. And then you're going to need two 1x6 tiles. And then you're going to need a 1x4 tile. And place it right in the middle here with one stud on each side left like this. And then you're going to need a 4x6 plate. And then you need a 1x2 tile, and you're going to place it right here. And then you're going to need a 2x2 tile and a 1x4 tile. And you can place this right here. Then you're going to need a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 tile. And then you're going to place this right here and here. Make sure you press that down. And then you're going to need a 4 stud long axle. Well, and that has a stopper on the end of it, or like this. And you're going to place that right here and here. Let's continue. Now you're going to need a 1x6 brick, and then on top of it place a few more bricks to stack it up. Now this 1x1 doesn't have to have a stud on the side, it can just be a normal one. Now you're going to need two 1x1 plates. And you're going to need two 1x1 bricks. Then you're going to place that right here on the edge where the two studs were left. So now you're going to need a 2x3 plate and a 1x1 Technic brick with a hole in it. And you're going to place that right in the middle right here on the bottom. Then on the bottom of that, you can place a 1x1 plate. And then you're going to need a 1x2 plate right here and a 1x4 plate. Then you're going to need a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 brick. And then you're going to need a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 Technic brick with a hole in the middle, just one hole. Then you're going to, and this time the plate goes on the bottom. And this one goes right here. and then this one goes right here. So now you're gonna need a 2x4 brick and a 2x4 plate, like this. And then on top of that, you're gonna place a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 plate, and a 1x4 plate. Then below here, you're gonna need another 1x2 Technic brick with a hole in it. And place a plate on the bottom, 1x2 plate on the bottom of it, and place it right here. You're gonna need a 1x6 plate, and then on the bottom of it, at the edge, you're gonna place a 2x2 plate like this. Then you're gonna connect those with another 2x2 plate. And right in the middle, you're gonna need a 1x2 tile, like that. Then you're gonna take this piece, place it, and then place this on top of it right here. So now you're gonna need a 1x3 brick, and then on top of it, place a 1x1 plate right here. Then you're gonna need a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 plate. Place it on top like that, and place it right here. And then you're gonna take this piece and this piece. You can place this right here, and this goes right here. Then you're going to take the other base we made and place it right here on these 4x6 plate. Now don't press too hard. You are going to have to lift this wall to put some other pieces in. Now you're going to need one of these. It has an axle hole on either side and it's 2 studs long. Now you're going to need a 3 stud long axle. Place it inside one of the sides like this. Then you're going to need one of these. It has 2 axle holes, one on the bottom and one that sticks out the sides like this. You're going to take this one, place it right in here, so the axle hole is sticking out the top. And then you're going to need a 2 stud long axle, and you're going to place it right there. And then you're going to need one of these Technic beams. It has 2 axle holes in it, and it's halfway one of the beams. And you're going to place it right here. And then you're going to need another 2 stud long axle. And place it right in there. Then you're going to need 2 more of these white beams. You're going to place them on this axle right here. And then this goes right here in this yellow hole. So that's the base. Build the first set of locks. So you're going to need a 1x6 plate. Then under it, you're going to place a 1x2 brick here, a 1x1 brick here. And then on top here, you're going to place a 1x4 tile. And then you're going to need a 1x2 brick, 1x2 plate, and a 1x2 tile. You're going to stack those right on top of each other, like this. And then you're going to place it right here. So this next piece is a little irregular. And so you're going to need a 1x4 tile. And you're going to need 2 of these 1x1 bricks with a stud on the side. Now you're going to take the first one and place it on this hole here, this middle hole, not here. I'm pretty sure most of these have a open hollow hole like this. If yours doesn't, you can place it right here, and the next one you're going to place upside down right here. And then you're going to need a 1x1 plate and a 1x2 tile. Now if you didn't place this one on this middle hole here, and you placed it here, you don't need the 1x1 plate. So then on the bottom here, you're going to place a 1x6 tile. Now you're going to need a 1x2 Technic brick with a hole in it and a 1x1 brick. Then you're going to need a 1x4 tile. Place it right here. And then you're going to fill in this space with a 1x1 tile. Now you're going to need two 1x4 plates and place them like this, leaving one stud on each side like this. And right here you're going to place a 1x1 Technic brick with a hole here. And then you're going to need a 1x4 plate. Sorry, that goes here. Then you're going to need a 1x1 brick and two 1x1 tile plates, and place them like this. And you're going to place this right here. And then you're going to need a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate, and place it like this. And you're going to need another 1x3 plate and a 1x4 plate. You're going to place them like this. And then you're going to connect these with a 1x4 plate like this. And then you're going to place some tiles on top. So I have this 2x2 corner tile. You don't have to have this. You can replace it with other tiles. 2x2 tile and a 1x1 tile. Now this, you're going to use this and place it right here. And that makes the last piece. Then you're going to bring this back. So this goes right here. So before placing this, you're going to place this one. So you're going to have to take this wall off. And place it right here. And you can place this back on. And you're going to slightly lift up this wall and put this in. So then I'm going to need this piece. This goes right here. I have to push that. And this last piece goes right here. Like that. Now we're going to build the upper part of the puzzle. You're going to need a 4x8 base plate and a 1x2 plate, and place them right here. Then you're going to connect those with a 1x3 tile, and then I'm going to put some tiles on it. A 2x4 tile, a 1x3 tile, and then you're going to need a 1x2 tile right in the middle here. And then you're going to need a 1x1 tile. And then you're going to need another 1x1 plate, and place it right here. You're going to need a 1x2 brick. Then lastly, you're gonna need one of these turntables. So this goes right here. Then you're gonna need a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 brick. And you're gonna stack them like this. And then you're gonna place it right here on the bottom. This is gonna go right at the edge of the 2x4 tile here. And then you're gonna need a 1x4 plate, but it has studs on either side and it's smooth in the middle. You're gonna need a 1x2 tile right here. And you're gonna need a 1x1 plate right there. Then you're gonna, on top of that, you're gonna put a 1x4 plate tile right here on this, right there. So it's on the second stud from the right. Then on the bottom here, you're gonna place two 1x1 plates. So then this goes right here. So you're gonna have this goes right here. So like this. And then you're gonna need a 1x4 brick and a 1x6 plate. You're gonna place the 1x6 plate on the bottom right here. Then you're gonna need two 1x8 bricks. And then you're gonna connect those with a 1x6 tile. And then you're gonna need two more. Then you're gonna need another 1x6 tile, and then under it you're gonna place 1x4 brick. You're gonna place it right here. Then you're gonna need two 1x3 plates. You're gonna stack them up just like this. And you're gonna need a 1x2 Technic brick with two holes, not one, has two holes this time. You're gonna place it right here. Then you're gonna need a 1x1 brick. And under it, then you're gonna need two 1x2 plates and two 1x1 plates. And you're basically just gonna stack them like this. And you're going to put that under this. And then you're going to need a 1x6 brick and two 1x1 bricks. And under those, you're going to place a 2x2 plate, like that. And then you're going to need a 1x6 plate, and then on top of it you're going to place a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place that right here. And over here you're going to place a 1x1 plate, and then lastly you're going to put a 1x2 brick. Then you're going to take this and place it right here. And then this goes right here. So we're going to put that aside. You need a 1x6 plate. Then under it you're going to place a 1x4 plate, a 1x3 plate. And then on top of here you're going to place a 1x1 plate. So then you're going to need another 1x6 plate right here. And then a 1x1 plate right here. And then you're going to need a 2x2 corner plate. You're going to place it right here. Then under here, you're going to place a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. Then you're going to need two 1x3 plates. You're going to stack them on top of each other. And under, you're going to place a 1x1 plate right there. And then you're going to need another 1x2 brick, Technic brick with 2 holes. Under it, you're going to place a 1x2 plate, and then another 1x2 plate right here. And this is going to go right here. And on top, you're going to need one of these 1x2 slopes. So you can place that right here. And you're going to take this, you can place this right here. So now you're going to need a 1x6 plate and a 1x1 plate, and you're going to place it right here. Then you're going to take a 1x3 brick, place it right along there. Then you're going to need another one, place it right here. Then you're going to take this, you're going to place it right here. And you're going to need a 1x1 brick, and you're going to place it here. And then down here, you're going to place a 1x2 brick, place it there. And then you're going to need another 1x2 brick, place it there. Now you're going to need a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 tile. You're going to stack them like this. And then you're going to put a 1x1 brick under here. And you're going to put it right here. And you're going to take this piece, you're going to place this right here. And now we're going to make some of the 2 locks that are in here. So you're going to need one of these 1x2. You need one of these 1x2 bricks, but they have no rod on the inside, so they're clear. And you're gonna need one of these. You're gonna need a 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole and a 2x2 corner brick. That's gonna go like that. Sorry. So then you're gonna need a 1x6 tile. You're gonna place this right there. Then you're gonna skip 1 brick and place the Technic brick. And you're gonna place the corner brick right here. Then here you're gonna fill it in with a 1x2 tile. Now you're gonna need another one of those 1x2 bricks that are transparent and have no rod on the inside. And then you're going to place that under a 1x6 plate. And under there, you're going to place a 1x2 brick and another one of these 2x2 corner bricks. I made this one with 3 2x2 corner plates. And then I'm going to need a 1x2 brick. Then you're going to need a 1x1 Technic brick with a hole in it. You're going to place it here so the hole faces outward like this. Then you're going to need a 1x3 brick. Over here you're going to place a 1x6 tile and a 1x1 plate here. Now you're going to take this, you're going to place this piece right here, and this transparent brick goes right on this stud. And this one goes right here. Now this is a technique I learned from a channel named Cheat3. So yeah. Then you're gonna need one of this piece, and this one, and you're gonna place it right here with the holes right here. And then you need this piece, and this will go right here. The 1x1 goes in this spot right here. Oh, and so this so you're gonna lift this 2x3 plate out here, and this green 1x2 top plate doesn't go here, it actually goes here. Sorry about that. And place this right here. And now you can place this on top here. Press down. Now make sure the white part, right, this one, is behind this gray part, so it can't move out. So now we're going to build the roof. You need a 4x4 plate, and you're also going to need a 1x4 plate. Now you're going to connect these with a 2x4 plate, and you're going to need a 1x2 plate, and a 2x6 plate. And then on the bottom here, you're going to need a 1x2 Technic brick with 2 holes, and you're going to place it right on the edge here. Right there. You're going to need another one of those, and place it on the opposite edge. Now you're going to need a 1x2 brick with an axle hole. Now this is going to be placed in a plate. Make sure you're not really going to usually place it. You're going to place it on these two dots here, and that's just there so the axle won't just slide out. So then you're going to need a 5 stud long axle. You're going to place it right here. Now back on the top, you're going to place tiles. You're going to need a 1x4 tile, another 1x4 tile right here. Then you're going to need 3 of these 1x2 slopes. You're going to place them on the edges here. Now in the middle here, you're going to need these jumper plates. You're going to need a 2 1x2 jumper plates and a 2x2 jumper plate. You're going to place them just like this. Sorry. And then you're going to need 2 of these 1x2 transparent bricks with no rod on the inside. You don't have to have these, you can just use normal 1x2 bricks. And you're going to place a 1x2 plate on top of each of them. You're going to connect those with 2 1x4 tiles, like this. And then you're going to need a 1x2 brick with a axle hole. You're going to place it right here. And this will go right here on the top. And then you're going to need to take this again. You're going to place this in. Now the place where this is unfinished, this is gonna go like this. That's why this is here. Here it's to look like the roof is unconnected to the base. Now you're going to take the axle we placed in the box here. You're going to go to this, not this one right here. Go here and then push the axle in. Once you push it in, it should be locked. You can place this back in. There's the puzzle. So that is the tutorial for this puzzle box, and we'll see you guys next time.